Hey everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back for day 13 and I'm working on the back side of day 12 so I don't have to worry about color. And I have these two pictures of my Redefine Creative Advent kit. This kit was actually not here on December 1st. It was late for lots of different reasons. So I don't have to worry about, like whatever day I put it on was not going to be the first because I didn't have it. So I'm thinking about doing the pieces across, and then I had this 3x4 piece from another day, so I'm thinking there and there. I tend to like the lighter stuff on top. And then this is a piece of ribbon, wired ribbon, that came with our kit, and I'm thinking that I'm going to somehow attach that to these this card there. So we'll see. So the first thing I'm going to do is just mount these back to back, as you know I like to do. And let's see. Not doing a very good job here. The other thing I think is, when I cut this, I still have the edge of the other photograph on here. I don't print photos at home anymore except for December Daily, because I'm taking them real time and I don't want to take the time to wait for them to come back, nor do I want to be running to my favorite photo printer every day. That just doesn't make any sense to me. So I just print these guys at home, which reminds me, I think on Monday, excuse me, you guys will see this actually, hopefully on Monday night. I'm doing this earlier than that, of course. Earlier than Monday, because this is a memory from Sunday. So I want to make sure these are going on the right cards. Anyway, I need to stop. Hopefully I will remember that. I really should probably stop at my local office supply store and grab more ink, because I am running out of one of the colors now. I'll probably be able to get 100 more photographs, but just in case I can't, I'd like to be prepared for that. Okay. All right, so that's going there. This is going here. This is going here. This I already said I think we're going to put in the pocket. And then this needs to go. And I also have, so from my kit, I have that. I have those 3 glittery candy canes. And then I have that little Happy Mail sticker that actually came on something on the back of an envelope. And I think I'd like to use that today. So, let's work with this first. I'm just trying to decide what I like. I really like that check there. And then maybe this sticker could go in the middle somewhere, because my other option is to do it like this, which leaves a lot of blank space. So let me cut. Of course you're going to let me cut. What choice do you have, right? So my fabric scissors here, and then I'm just going to grab this so I have a little bit of play, and now I still have a little bit of this ribbon left. But the cool part is that I feel like I've used it, at least, even if I don't use that other piece up this year. I've at least used this piece. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is lay down some glue here. I'm going to actually tape this to the other side as well as glue it probably, but at least that's getting me a way to keep it down at first. So then what I'll, ooh, and thank goodness I remembered this, because I tried to do this the last time, remember? I did that where I just wrapped something around and it didn't, or not last time, but I did this one other time where it didn't work. Okay, so then if I do that, then maybe that'll hold that in a little bit more. Okay, so we'll just put that there. A little bit more glue. I was thinking I would have to washi tape it, but I don't think I'm going to need to do that. Oops. Oops, I almost used my fabric scissors on paper. That's a definite no-no. Okay, so we have that down. Now the Happy Mail sticker. I'm just trying to use all the things. Maybe I'll just pop it right in the middle here. So there's a lot of pattern and a lot of stuff on here already. Just trying to, maybe like this, just a couple. Now, how the heck I'm gonna adhere those? That's a good question. And I still do need my number as well. And look what arrived finally today. My LA Studio. So I'm thinking green here. These are the number stickers in the red and the green that I have been waiting for forever. I think I'm just going to pop this down here in this empty space. Because gosh knows I'm going to use the heck up out of these guys now. And obviously, I'm not going to have these things for 3 years. But that's okay. I could also use them on layouts too if I wanted to. So just trying to decide how I'm trying to like get that in. Yeah. Okay, so the only thing that I can think of is like mini glue dots maybe, because these are not their, oh, and I really should probably put them on the outside of the pocket because that is going to be a lot if they're on the inside, which that always is fun to try to figure out how to journal when I do that. Okay, so I have the mini glue dots. I think I showed these to you before. Okay, I don't know if these coverings aren't sticky, but there are coverings on the back of these sometimes. I guess that's the shiny side, but you know what? I happen to like them this way. So what I'm doing is putting these, now the other one came off. Okay. I'm putting these on the striped side. Okay, that's really exciting for you to watch this, I know. Let's just give you an idea of how I think I'm going to adhere these. And how I'm going to journal and figure that out, I don't know. That's going to be fun. So then again, now this goes the opposite way, so I don't think I'll see. I think I have, oh, I have one stuck to my hands, so I kept feeling like it felt sticky to me. So I'm doing these like in 4 different places. Well, not like, I'm doing these in 4 different places. Okay, and then this one. So then this probably has the coating on. I hate wasting the glue dots, but I don't see it. Oh, there we go. See, I put one down and there it goes. Okay. So even though I don't know if that's the side it's intended to be on and that's why that coating is coming off or what that's about, I don't know. But no matter what, this is the way I want them to go. So I'm putting, again, one on each of the stripes so that you don't see the glue dot. Now, would it be horrendous if I did? Probably not. Okay, so we have those done, this done. Only thing I don't have is I don't have anything like down here at all. And I don't know that I want to do a, I don't know, some kind of phrase sticker or something maybe. Let me look and see if I have anything that's green that might work and might make sense. I've got a fun. The Fresh Start is not going to work. There's a tree label. Let me grab that fun sticker and see. I can just get, yeah, I think I'll just put it in here like it's part of this little grouping. There. All right. So that's it for today, you guys. There you go. And finally, the appearance of the Ellie Studio red and green date stickers. So hope you guys are doing well, and I will be back again tomorrow. Bye, everybody.